Okay, we're going to make a turntable animation. So we've got our completed model. This just happens to be my little signature. Okay, and first thing we want to do is set how we want to view this. So I just hit the F key, which framed it. F as in Frank. Okay, so whatever I set this up to, it's going to then rotate. It's going to take the camera that we're currently looking through, and it's going to rotate around the object that we have selected. So with the object selected, okay, and then we need to tell how much in our timeline we want to have our camera. So what I'm going to do is, notice I'm on frame 24. I'm going to show you how to change a couple things. One is the playback speed, and if I go to animation preferences and then click on settings, so right now I'm in time slider and I've got it set to real time, but I'm going to go to settings and change from 24 frames per second to 30 frames. And if you're going to be doing stuff for the internet, you probably want to do 10 or 15 frames per second, but I like NTSC 30 frames per second, and I'm going to save that, and then I'm going to actually set my it's automatically reset my time to 30 frames for this animation. Now again, I've got the camera set in position, and then the next thing I'm going to do is change to the animation menu, where I'll find my animate, and then I'll be able to go all the way to the bottom where I'll see my my turntable option. Okay, and I want to choose the options so that I can get a better idea of what we're looking at, number of frames. So it didn't get it, so what I'll do is either clockwise or counterclockwise, and I want to have 30 frames to actually be created with this turntable. Then it's going to go around clockwise, and I'll click turntable. Okay, so it's been created. Nothing's changed except for I'm now looking through a different camera. It created a new one, and when I play back, I'll see we've got our playback of our 30 frames. Okay, the next thing is we're going to want to create, instead of just playing back inside of Maya, something we can take home and show Ma, or to show the client a motion test. So we will be picking up in this motion test everything we see on screen here. So the wire, ground floor, this word, everything that we see in here will come up in this type of animation. We can change our options, but I'll leave that for a later date. For right now, I'm just going to go and right click right on the timeline, and it's the option that's way at the bottom off screen called playblast, and I'm going to choose the playblast option, and then that brings this menu up. So with playblast options, and again I'm looking through Windows here, so by default this will create a little AVI file, and I could change how I play it back from, but we'll just stay with default settings here and just hit playblast. So what it'll do is it'll quickly run through and it'll generate my playblast, and it'll save it inside of this folder here titled playblast. So I'll bring that up. Okay, I open this up in a QuickTime viewer because I like to change my my playback to loop so that I can watch it spinning and spinning and spinning. So that's a quick little playblast movie, and so have at it.